What's up, Yogi Clan? Welcome back to What's Up Wednesday. Today, there are two things that are going on in my life that I kind of want to talk to you about. So I thought I'd bring it back for another What's Up Wednesday. If you're not familiar with this channel, I am your host, Yogi. And today on What's Up Wednesday, we're just talking about what's up and what's going on. If you like this video, just ask you to surf around this channel. Maybe check out some of my other videos. If you like what you see, give a brother some love and mash that subscribe button. And for you returning subscribers, thank you for stopping back and checking out this channel. Now you'll find out what's up. So, two things. Like I said, number one, I want to talk to you about Daytona. Number two, I want to talk to you about the Orphan Run because that's coming up. Both those events are coming up really soon. Yeah, it's drawing to the end of February. Boom, we're on to March and then beginning of April, which is time for the Orphan Run. So Daytona, first and foremost, let's talk about that. I am going to Daytona this year, and I'm hoping that maybe I can link up with some of you guys down there if you are going down also. So it does start, I think, around the 4th, 5th area. That's the first weekend. We're going down the second weekend. And maybe because we didn't plan too well, when I was looking for like a B&B or a hotel, everything is like $350 a night or more. Or you're staying like an hour and a half away. Either or. I can't swing $350 a night, even if I split it with one or two other people. Probably this year I'm going to be camping. I haven't camped at Daytona probably, I think the last time was probably in 2015. So it's been a minute or two since I camped in Daytona, but you know what? Hey, camping, you can get a spot from anywhere from, I think, $25 to maybe about $37, $40 a night somewhere down there. So I think we're going to take the sleeping bag, we're going to take the air mattress, we're going to get a tent, because my other two tents they're kind of shot. So probably going to get a new tent and go down there and camp it this year. So I'm thinking, where am I going to camp it? There are a lot of different options to camp at. There's the fairgrounds, there's the Cabbage Patch, there's Daytona Speedway, there's this like Sunrise, something park. I mean, there's probably about almost a dozen campgrounds down there to pick. So what I'm coming to you for is to figure out, are you camping? And if so, what campground do you go to? I'm really thinking about Daytona Speedway because they have a lot of vendors down at Daytona Speedway. And for all the years I've gone down to Daytona, honestly, I've never really been to the Speedway before. Seems like I always end up at Destination Daytona. I don't know why. It's the same every year, but I just, for some reason, keep going. So I think we may go down to camp at the Daytona Speedway. I'm here if you get the infield camp spots. You get free tickets to the motorcycle races. I think that would be kind of cool. So we are definitely going to Daytona, but we are definitely going to be in a tent. Sometimes you just do what you got to do, right? Really looking forward to that. I'm hoping maybe I can meet some of you guys down there. I'm not sure what that second week is. Let me look it up. And it's going to be kind of a turn and burn run for me. I'm going to be going down March 11th, which is a Friday, and coming back on Sunday the 13th, which reminds me, if you are going to Daytona and you live anywhere north and you're going to be taking 95 out, highly advise you to get on the road at 7 a.m. at the latest. If you leave any later than 7 a.m., you can pretty much double your drive home. Whatever Google Maps says the time it's going to take you to get home. Because every year I've left at like 8 o'clock or later, bro, it's like a 12-hour ride when it should be like 6 or 7. Event number 2, that is the Orphan Run. Coming up April 2nd, Speedway Harley-Davidson, Concord, North Carolina. I do have the police lined up to escort us because I think we're going to have a fairly good-sized group this year. I'm really planning on it, and I don't really feel like doing the whole blocker thing this year. I'd rather just sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride instead of stressing, leading a pack of 100 bikes trying to use blockers. So it will be police escorted by our Cabarrus County Sheriff's Department. They are going to be planning the route. Supposedly they have a new route that they've come up with. I think they used it for the Speedway Harley Owners Group toy run last year. I think so. If you've been on that run, it's probably going to be a very similar route. But what I'm looking for the Orphan Run is corporate sponsorship. So I am right now in the hunt for corporate sponsorship. I'm getting ready to talk to the t-shirt vendor tomorrow. We do have a t-shirt that we will be selling at the Orphan Run. We have food lined up. We're going to be doing chicken this year. And if you pay for the run, you will automatically get lunch. So we got a live band going on. We got food going on. We got a police escorted ride, which will be about 65, 70 miles. Take about an hour and a half through the country of Cabarrus County. Really looking forward to that. But what I need now is corporate sponsorship to help cover some of these costs. Cover the cost of the shirts, cover the costs of food, cover costs of the band, and whatever those costs are. So if you are interested in sponsoring, our website is Forge Brotherhood Motorcycle Club. You can reach out to us on there. If you look on that website, there is a tab on there that says sponsors. With a $250 sponsorship, I'll be happy to put your logo, your name, or whatever the heck you want as a sponsor. And if you notice, for all those sponsors on that page, you can click on it. It'll take you, it's a hot link that will take you to their web page or their Facebook profile. So if you want to be on that page also, reach out to us on that website. There's a contact us form on there, or just wait to the end. My email's at the end, or look through the description of this video and you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, or email. All my contact information is below, even a P.O. box if you need me. So I appreciate you guys supporting. I hope I get to meet you in Daytona. And if I can't meet you in Daytona, I hope you're planning on coming to the Orphan Run and meeting us at the Orphan Run. Love to have some sponsors. We're going to have some good stuff that we're going to be auctioning off this year. I am really looking forward to it. Really so excited. And there's just so much more I could talk about on What's Up Wednesday of what's been going on lately. But alas, I'll just keep this one short and save the rest of the information for next week. But it's good to see you guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you for your support. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.